on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. We're out here with another Cheap Finds Friday. It might be a little windy because, man, I don't know what is going on in the Bay Area, but we're having like this crazy windstorm kind of thing going. Hopefully the audio is okay. We're out here at the Livermore Outlets at the moment, and we're gonna go ahead, check around, see if we can find any steals and deals. And of course, I'm with your boy, David Got Kicks, your favorite feature on this channel.
Thanks for having me back on the channel, dude.
You're welcome, dude.
Like, forget everything that happened between us in the past.
David has been vlogging very consistently, so if you guys want to check out his channel, I'll have his link down below in the description. Make sure you hit the subscribe button because my guy's getting to 2 million subscribers soon. 2 million. Just kidding. I'm hyping you up, dude.
I only brought one pair of boxers. Stop.
You're leaking. Starting off with the on feet. We got David Got Kicks in the mix.
Ready?
Dang, yeah. Oh, what is that? Zelda. Okay. Yo, we've been into Crocs a lot lately, so we're gonna see what's in the Crocs store. This is a whole outlet right here.
I'm not trying to get spotted, dude. Like, I don't mind taking pictures with the fans and everything, but just like...
I'm not recording.
Like, the other dude tried going in for a kiss last time. I gotta tell him it's reserved for Alex. Actually, I can't see.
It's a joke, guys. It's a joke. Dios mío. Oh, they got the buzz down Cubans. Okay. Oh my god. Try one on, dude.
No, dude.
This is calling you.
I don't know where their feet have been. Oh, they kind of look like Balenciagas.
Talk about dead. It looks like a ghost town out here. Last time I was here, it was before Christmas, so it was going crazy. The lines were crazy, had to wait for everything. But look how empty it looks on a Tuesday, midday. Empty. I was trying to get some Cortez a while back, but they were sold out, and these are 70 bucks. Is that the normal price for Cortez? I'm gonna have to cop these though. These are solid. We're in PacSun right now, and we just found these Oswegos in almost like a Tiffany colorway.
It's mint.
All right, dude. We get it. But yo, check this out. Retail price on this pair is 120 clams, but now they're only 30 bucks. That is a crazy discount. And these are actually super comfortable. They kind of remind me of like Wave Runners a little bit. I like the shape of them. Pretty nice. If I was looking for a pair of shoes and I was trying to ball on a budget, I wouldn't be too mad at these, man. These are actually really nice. Wow.
Oh, the 3M.
That's nice. Dude, 30 bucks for these? Come on, son. What do you guys think, man? 30 bucks?
I'm not gonna lie, dude. When I saw them sitting in the box, I don't really like them, but now that I see them on your feet, makes me want to get a pair.
It's so weird. This one is even cheaper than the one that we were looking at originally. This one's $29.99. This one's $26.99. And then these ones are $69.99. What's the difference? They're all the same. All right, if these are this price, I'll cop. Dude, this is crazy. They're marked down even more. So we got this after tax for 17 bucks. Retail price is 120 on this. Crazy. I didn't even want these like that, but for 17? Couldn't pass that up, bro.
That's a meal right there, dude.
That
Depending on where you go.
is a meal. You're damn right, David.
Oh, my wrist is starting to hurt a little.
Oh, whoa. Where'd you get that?
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Oh, you know, SneakerHeadInTheBay made this for me and gifted it to me.
What's his website?
Shopsoultopia.com.
It will be in the description, I think, right?
Down below, right?
Down below.
Not on top,
Not on top, down below. Oh, that's pretty nice.
Yeah.
100% authentic materials, too?
Yeah, dude, but this hurts like right here.
Yeah.
My freckle.
Oh, sorry. Oh, that's nice, though.
Thanks, dude. Oh.
The homie just pulled up. We just did a little transaction out here. So we're cutting the Cheap Finds Friday to show you guys this real quick. This is his Model Y, and it's bagged. And this is the first time seeing a bagged Model Y for me in person. I know the lighting is kind of crazy right now, but dude, this thing looks sick. This thing looks pretty good on bags. This is basically Tesla's, I guess, mini SUV. It's a crossbreed between the Model 3 and the Model X. So you get best of both worlds in this one. A little smaller than a Model X, but Sheesh. This is my first time seeing these Cortezes in person, and they're actually fire. Like, I like how they did the split on the swoosh. I think this is the only size they got, but not bad. They still have some infrared 90s chilling out here, GS size. So if you guys want them, Livermore Outlets finish line. That's where you can find them. What are we looking at?
Why is the box so big though?
Jesus.
Oh,
dude, they come with different inserts? That's kind of crazy. A lot of sneaker companies are using that like yellowy midsole now, and I think it's looking kind of cool. It's crazy though, because I came up showing you guys how to restore sneakers. The trend is to make them look dirty now, so I'm still trying to wrap my head around it. Crazy times, man, crazy times. But we're out here at Puma just seeing what they got. David has a $20 gift card that he's trying to use up, so maybe we can find something in here. It's looking real dry though, not gonna lie. Got this, and we're basically at the end of this outlet, so I don't think we're gonna find anything too crazy.
You can see me wearing these, right?
I honestly, I could. That's kind of sus though.
$25? I'll just switch out the laces.
No, you have to wear it with those laces.
No.
Those aren't even your size, dude.
I'm just kidding.
Those are clean.
They're 9.5 though.
9.5 for 25 bucks? Dude, you can't go wrong with a pair of Puma suedes. What all the B-boys wore back in the day.
all the other colors except just the black and white one. Like,
those are classics.
I have all the other colors, so it's only right?
Wait, why is your camera up here?
Sorry.
Is it on?
No.
Oh.
Sorry.
I hate this camera! Alright, y'all, we are pretty much wrapping up this Cheap Finds Friday, but we're gonna go get lunch. Whatever we do from now on is gonna be like more of a vlog style. We're not gonna do anything crazy, so just gonna go get lunch.
We're not.
Dude, why isn't my car turning on? Yeah, we're gonna go get some birria tacos. If you guys haven't had birria tacos, or you want to try them, or you do like them, this is the spot to go. Tacos El Patron. My favorite birria spot out here in the Bay Area, and then my second, which is in LA, Teddy's Red Tacos. That place is fire as well. But we got the food now. 3 birria tacos. We got our little dip. We got some chips that came with it. This is what you got to do though. You get the habanero sauce if you like it spicy. David hates spicy. Pour it in here. Makes it extra hot.
Yikes.
Look at how juicy these look, guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness. First things first though. Gotta get to business. You gotta get this all mixed up in here. Do a taste test, quick taste test.
Ooh, that's crunchy. You like that? You like that? So good.
I love that.
Oh.
It's time to eat.
That was nice. That was a great vlog.
But that was a pretty good one. Do you think they're gonna like it? Give me some sugar. Give me some sugar.
Down here, upstairs or downstairs?
Downstairs. I'm going for a basement kiss. Holy moly!
Oh, the gag stopped.
You guys are in for a treat. We're continuing the vlog. David is looking for a brand new couch. I didn't realize how expensive these couches were. There's some that are like $3,000. They look so basic though. I'm sitting on a $1,000 one, 800 bucks. Let me show you what a $3,000 couch looks like. Bro, you could sit 3 people. That's $1,000 per seat. This is made out of gopher fur or something? Bruh. Bruh, you got so lucky. You got so lucky.
I thought it was all one piece.
He lifted this, and then this ball went whoop.
I lifted it and rolled off.
Dude, this is $2,000.
Shut up.
Yeah. I honestly didn't think this was going to work, but look, this table has gears. Look at this. Look. Holy moly. What in the world? It works.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.